Welcome to my YouTube channel, Travel the World. Hi, I'm Navdeep, your guide to exploring the hidden gems and vibrant cultures of our beautiful planet. Today, we're diving into the heart of the Keystone State, Pennsylvania. Get ready for a cinematic journey through its rich history, diverse culture, and stunning landscapes. Cultural insights. Pennsylvania is a melting pot of cultures, from the Pennsylvania Dutch community to the vibrant urban life in its cities. The state's diverse population brings a rich tapestry of traditions, cuisines, and festivals. Demographics and economy. With a population of over 12 million, Pennsylvania boasts a diverse demographic landscape. The economy is equally varied, with strengths in manufacturing, agriculture, and technology. Travel tips. Spring and fall offer mild weather and beautiful scenery. Don't miss trying a Philly cheesesteak or Pennsylvania Dutch pretzels. Pennsylvania offers a range of travel options, from budget-friendly to luxurious. Here are Pennsylvania's top 10 must-visit places. Philadelphia. Explore historic sites like Independence Hall, the Liberty Bell, and the Philadelphia Museum of Art. Pittsburgh. Discover the city's vibrant arts scene, stunning bridges, and unique neighborhoods. Gettysburg National Military Park. Learn about the Civil War's pivotal battle and visit the Gettysburg National Cemetery. Hershey. Indulge in chocolate at Hershey Park and explore the Hershey chocolate world. Fallingwater. Marvel at Frank Lloyd Wright's iconic home, built over a cascading waterfall. Pocono Mountains. Enjoy outdoor activities like hiking, fishing, and skiing in this picturesque region. Pennsylvania Dutch Country. Experience Amish culture, visit Lancaster, and savor delicious Dutch cuisine. Allegheny National Forest. Hike through lush forests, camp, and explore the Allegheny River. Presque Isle State Park. Relax on sandy beaches, swim, and bike along the trails. Reading Terminal Market. Sample fresh produce, meats, cheeses, and international cuisine in this historic market. These are just a few of the many amazing places Pennsylvania has to offer. With its rich history, diverse landscapes, and friendly people, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Recap. From the historic streets of Philadelphia to the natural beauty of the Pocono Mountains, Pennsylvania has something for every traveler. Whether you're a history buff, nature lover, or foodie, this state will captivate your heart. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Pennsylvania. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Travel the World for more cinematic adventures. Until next time, happy travel!